So if you have a Galaxy S24, S26 or any Galaxy phone and you want the liquid glass control panel on it, so that is now possible. Today in this video I will show you guys that how you can apply this liquid glass control panel on your phone. So first up you will have to take a screenshot of your control panel, and once you have taken the screenshot, go into the ChatGPT or any other LLM that you use. Then you have to give it a prompt. I have used this prompt, so you can copy it directly from here, and the response was the exact same that I wanted. But if you want to enhance it and you have some suggestions for the prompt, so you can share them in the comment section below as well. Now download that image, then tap over here, and now you have to crop it and save it. Simply follow the steps that I have shown in this video. Simply select it, then tap on next and save it. You have to do it for all the elements over here, like the Bluetooth, Wi-Fi and every other element. I have already saved them all, and once you have cropped them, simply go into the GoodLock application. You can download the GoodLock application from the Play Store or the Galaxy Store of your phone. Now once downloaded, simply scroll down and from here you have to install this Quick Start module. Now turn it on and from here tap on this Edit Panel Style option. In this you can apply images on your control panel. Simply allow it the permissions that it requires. Now tap on the buttons of which the image you want to change. First up, I have changed the image of the buttons box. As you guys can see, this is how the button box looks like now. Next up, I will change the media player, and similarly like this, I will change the Wi-Fi, Bluetooth and privacy display. You can also edit them before applying, and after changing them all, this is how it looks. By the way, I forgot to mention that you have to lower your brightness and volume to all the way down, then take a screenshot, or else you will get to see a shadow behind these bars. And that's it. Now the glass effect for your control panel is ready to go. And if you want to turn it off, simply go into the GoodLock application and from here turn off the Quick Start, and your default control panel will be back. And that's a wrap for today's video. Try out this trick to get this control panel on your phone, and let me know your thoughts about this in the comment section below. And if you're new on this channel, so make sure to like and subscribe, as I will keep you updated with the new updates.